Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Pinterest carousel ad. Pinterest carousel ad performs very well on Pinterest marketing. So if you don't know about Pinterest marketing, then go to my channel Iron Tech and check the playlist called Pinterest marketing course, in which you can know how to create Pinterest account, how to grow traffic, premium traffic, and how you can earn money through it. So first of all, let's go to Fiverr, and you will be amazed there that there is only 4 services available which are providing this service. So mm, this is a very new service. I will design creative Pinterest carousel ad, I will design poster carousel, I will design carousel for Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. So he got 4 reviews, 5-star reviews. So let's analyze his gig, and he's also a level 1 seller. So in $5 he make 3 high resolution slides for a carousel post, file format JPG PNG. In standard $10, and make 5 high resolution slides for carousel post. After that premium, in premium he charged $20. Guys, this is a very easy skill to work on, and you can easily rank on this keyword because there is only 4 gigs available. So this is it for the Fiverr part, and let's go to Canva and start making this. You can also analyze this man gig, so and make according to it, make your gig according to it. So here I write Pinterest carousel ad. Format is 1000 multiplied by 1500 pixel. It is loading, just wait for some seconds. So it is loaded. After that, click a blank Pinterest carousel ad. So that's it, it is loaded. After that, I want to create ad for gym, so I write here gym. Let's see, there is a gym. I click on fitness, so there are many templates. Workout. I am searching the templates like fitness, so there are different templates. I click on this. Yeah, this is a good template to work on. So we are creating 3 pages. So the first page, I wait a second. The first one is this, the second one is this, and the third one is this. But we have to change the images. So I write, go to photos and write here woman fitness. So that's it. I changed the images, and after that you can customize these things like book now to hedrygym.com, or after that if you want to customize this sale to 70%, you can also do it. So that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video, and as you notice how easily we can create this Carousel ad in 1 to 2 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.